Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows WIA scan error in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing Windows WIA scan error in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open the services. Just click on the start menu. Then type here services. Click on services. In this you need to find Windows image acquisition. Just click anywhere and press W key. In this you need to find Windows image acquisition. You can see here Windows image acquisition WIA. Just double click on that. If it is selected as manual or disable, you need to select as automatic. Then click on start and click on apply and click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows WIA scan error in your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.